Brandon from Mineshaft here. We have the Fluminer, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to do, I guess, bi-monthly maintenance. So every 2 months you're going to want to essentially just open this thing up, clear out the dust. What's really cool is, if you don't know, this thing actually has a magnetic dust screen that's meant to be removed and cleaned. And why you want to do this is if your hash rate gets low or your machine just starts running hot and you can't really figure it out, it's gonna be your dust screen most likely, or it's just in a place that's too hot. So there's 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these. Is that here? Bring them back here. Get 1, 2, and 4. All right, now that we got all 4 screws off, the way this thing likes to come off, it's gonna slide back. So we're gonna look at it head on now. Now that we're head on, we're gonna go ahead and slide it back. Boom, just like that. And you can see it comes right off. I actually just used some compressed air and cleaned this thing, so it's not that bad right now. But you're gonna have a little bit of dust here. We're gonna set that aside. And the dust screen, if you can't already see, is going to be right here. It's magnetic, so you just peel it off, and it's just like your lint screen in a dryer. You can see all that dust right there. I have mine on the ground in a room with carpet, and my dog walks in and out, so naturally there's going to be some dust on here. We're just going to go ahead and wipe all this off and then put it back in. You can wash it with water, just make sure it's dry. And then another thing I do suggest is compressed air, this whole thing, especially the power supply. If you're going to use out of a can, that's fine. If you're going to use actual compressed air machine that you plug into the wall, make sure, please, bleed the water out of the bottom. If you have one you don't know, there's a little screw on the bottom that's offset usually. Open that up, make sure all the water is out, because you're going to end up doing more harm than good. Otherwise, get your screen cleaned out, compressed air it, and then just go ahead and put it back together. So we got the dust screen cleaned. Magnet side facing I guess this little brace or bracket or the front of the machine. It's really easy to have it offset, as you can see here. So just make sure it's seated properly so you don't have any issues. Boom, look at that. And then I just wanted to show you guys, this is all the dust I pulled off, just off the screen. There was some on the power supply when I cleaned it last, but that's not there. And then there is some dust in the front here. You want to go ahead and get a brush, or you could use your hand like I am right here. Not the best way, but it works. Boom. All right, now that we got that done, we're just gonna go ahead, set this back up here. Same thing, you want to set it on, it has a little sweet spot, it'll click in, slide it forward, and then your 4 screws, 2 there, 2 here. And then I also suggest doing this if you're a little unfamiliar with the device and you see it keeps, rebooting or showing the Fluminer logo. This is kind of the first thing I would do. And there we have it.